Hi everyone. Let's solve this question. Read the question carefully first. If you know the answer, then stop the video and give me the answer in comment section. An object of height 4 cm is kept at a distance of 30 cm from the pole of a diverging mirror. Diverging mirror is what mirror? It is our concave. Okay. Concave or convex? I just want to ask. Or this is. Which is correct? Tell me. This is wrong. Concave mirror is converging mirror while convex is diverging. Okay. This is principal axis. This case they are asking. Okay. Focus is here. Center of curvature. This is focal length. Object of height 4 cm is placed at a distance of 30 cm from the pole of a diverging mirror. This is our object AB. Its height is 4 cm. Now what they are saying, focal length is given, height of the image is formed. So focal length is given 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. U is minus 30. So solve for v comes out to be 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30. It will come out to positive. 10 into 30 by 30 plus 10, 40. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 15 by 2. Let it be. Okay. I think up to this, no doubt. V comes out to 15 by 2. Next, they are asking height of image. So magnification, find magnification. Magnification is in case of mirror minus V by U. 15 by 2 U minus 30. So it comes out to be 1 by 4. 15 to the 1 by 4. M is 1 by 4. M is 1 by 4. Then HI by HO is 4. Is obviously plus. Yeah. Then HI plus 1. Option C. Correct answer is option C. I think this is clear. Okay. These are subjective question actually. These are some subjective question. Thank you.